This is clip 5 of ship terminology. We talk in ship of the healing space. The healing space is a space that we create wherein we facilitate spontaneous healing processes of our clients. It is a space of trust, respect, validation, and patience. Within the healing space, when someone is facilitated in ship, we make use of different processes. First of all, we activate clients if they are not in an activated state. Remember that an activated state is something that has been stuck, that's been disconnected, that is unfreezing, and it's opening up those reactions. And therefore, when we activate a client during ship, it means we are knocking on the door of disconnected, frozen, on hold, spontaneous healing reactions. And through activation, in particular, to that particular client, we can start activating disconnected information, and the second step would be then to keep someone from using distractors. In other words, we neutralize distractors during ship by simply asking our client not to act upon activation. In other words, if I have a claustrophobic sensation during ship, we would ask our client not to take a deep breath to try and change that feeling, but to listen to the feeling as it unfolds. It can become much more intense, it can move on to something else, or it could just, like a wave washing itself out, it can just wash itself out. And through this space that we create, wherein our client is fully conscious, we gradually facilitate the process of spontaneous healing by reactivating and by neutralizing distractors. And during this process, the person in ship learns very quickly how to facilitate that activation. It's always uncomfortable when something is activated that is been unfrozen, that's been frozen and that's unfreezing at this particular time, because it's old, too muchness information that is opening up. It is information that we did not want to feel, and therefore it's information when it comes out that we do not want to feel now. If we can maintain that state of listening psycho-biodynamically, that information can complete its process and can dissipate. If you think of a drop of water falling on water surface, it goes through those concentric circles and then dissipates. And the same thing happens with spontaneous healing reactions. They are supposed to go through those sequences, but are denied that because of too intenseness or powerlessness. And during ship, we just allow those processes to go through those concentric circles and move through the system the way it knows best. The philosophy of ship is that the person coming for therapy knows more about their unconscious than any other person can ever know about their unconscious. So the space that we create, the healing space, is the space wherein we trust that inner knowledge to unfold and show us the way towards freedom.